This industrial waste costs $0, and you couldn't tell the difference. Builders are using it right now to replace materials that normally cost thousands. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it is and why almost nobody talks about it. It's not concrete, it's not wood, it's something factories used to pay to throw away. Today, some builders get it for free and use it to build walls, floors, even entire homes. But here's the strange part. Most people walking past a finished building like this have no idea it's even possible. Let me show you how one builder discovered this by accident. A small construction team was quoting a renovation, and the materials alone were going to blow the budget. Instead of giving up, they looked at what local factories were throwing out every single day. What they found changed the way they built houses from that point on, and it's the same idea we're breaking down for you right now. So, what's the actual problem most builders run into? Traditional building materials keep getting more expensive. Every year, the cost of new materials goes up, and that cost lands directly on you, the homeowner. Most people just accept it as normal, but it doesn't have to be. And that cost adds up faster than you'd think. On a full home build, that difference in materials alone can reach tens of thousands of dollars. That's money that could go toward the kitchen you actually wanted, or simply stay in your pocket. And most of it disappears without anyone questioning it. Here's where it gets interesting. Recycled building materials made from industrial byproducts that factories already produce can replace a huge portion of what you'd normally buy new. We're talking about materials strong enough for walls, floors, and structural fill at a fraction of the cost, sometimes close to free. The transformation you saw at the start of this video, that's exactly what this material can do. Now, here's exactly how you can start using it. First, ask local factories or recycling centers what industrial byproducts they're currently discarding. Many will give it away just to avoid disposal costs. Second, always test a small batch before committing to a full wall or floor, because material quality can vary by supplier. Third, pair it with a professional who understands the mixing ratios, since using it incorrectly can weaken the structure. And here's the part most people skip. Ask for a written safety data sheet before you use anything industrial in your home. But there's a mistake almost everyone makes when they try this. The biggest mistake? Assuming all recycled material is the same. Some byproducts are perfectly safe and strong. Others need extra treatment first. Skipping that step is how people end up with cracks, or worse, a structure that isn't safe at all. Now, here's something almost nobody expects. Some of these recycled materials actually perform better than the originals they replace. Better insulation, more resistance to moisture, and in some tests, more durability over time. The waste isn't just a cheaper option. In some cases, it's simply the better one. So let's go back to where we started. Remember that wall from the beginning? Built almost entirely with material that would have gone straight to a landfill? Same strength, same look, a fraction of the cost. That's the $50,000 difference nobody talks about. If this opened your eyes a little, tag someone who needs to see this before their next renovation. And if you want to know exactly which materials to ask for by name, let me know in the comments. That might be the next video.